So what if I told you that the cake decorating video you are watching right now was created entirely with AI? Yep. No camera, no professional cake decorator, no fancy studio, just AI. And here's the crazy part, these satisfying cake decorating videos are blowing up all over social media right now. People love watching the designs come together and they keep replaying them because they are just so satisfying to watch. And the best part, this niche is still open. That means if you are looking for an AI content idea to experiment with, now could be a really good time to start with this niche before everyone else started. So today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process, starting with the idea, creating content and editing content, everything from zero to finish. So let's get into it. First, we are going to use Claude AI to come up with our ideas and generate our prompts. I created a master prompt that basically does all the creative thinking for you. Once you have the prompt, I will link this prompt in the description down below in a Google Doc so you can have it. All you have to do is just copy the whole thing. And now let's go to Claude and here paste the prompt into the chat and hit send. And now Claude will then give you 10 different cake decorating ideas. So instead of sitting here thinking, what cake should I make? You already got a list of 10 ideas ready to go. And if you don't like any of them, that's totally fine. Just type more and Claude can generate another batch of ideas. For this example, I'm going to go with number 1. So I just type number 1 and send it. And now Claude gives me everything I need, 1 image prompt and 2 video prompts. The image prompt is going to help us create the stand-in image and the 2 video prompts will be used to turn that image into a longer sequence. And now let's create the image. Copy the image prompt from Claude and now let's head over to Google Flow. Once you're inside Flow, open up a new project and here switch to image generation mode and you can choose your aspect ratio and how many number of images you want, and you can also select the Nano Banana Pro image model. If you want, you can choose any other model as well. And now let's paste your prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. And that's basically it. After a few seconds, you should have your cake image. And now come the fun part, turning this still image into a video. So let's see how to do that. Go back to Claude and copy the first video prompt. And now let's return to Flow and drag and drop the cake image you just created. And now from here, switch into the video mode. And there are few different video models. I will choose OmniFlash and here set the duration to 10 seconds. And now paste the first video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. And now just wait for the video to finish generating. Once the first clip is ready, now let's have a look at it. And this is really cool. And there's one really important step that you don't want to miss here, so listen carefully. Now from here, let's go to our final frame. And now let's save this frame. The reason that we are doing this is because we are going to use the exact frame as the start of our second video, so that transition will be really smooth. Now go back to Claude and copy the second video prompt and upload the frame you just saved and add that to the prompt box. And again, you have to choose the same settings, OmniFlash video model, and paste in the second video prompt and hit generate. And now Flow will continue the cake decorating sequence from where the first clip ended. Once the second video is finished, now download the both clips. And now we just need to put everything together. For that you can use any video editor. I am going to use CapCut. Open your favorite editing software and import both clips and then place the second one directly after the first. And now here watch the transition carefully. If you notice any weird movement or awkward frames, just trim those parts out. You don't need to do anything crazy with the editing. The AI has already done most of the work. Your main goal is just to make the final video feel smooth, satisfying and natural. Once you're happy with it, you can export the video. And that's it. That's the entire workflow. You use Claude to find ideas and generate prompts. You use Google Flow to create images and animate videos. And then finally, you put everything together using a video editing software. You can do this with many ideas as possible. Once you have figured out the workflow, you can keep creating with any new concept. So if you think this video is helpful and if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tips and tricks, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.